Hello everyone, it's Marilyn here. I want to share to you today the limited edition kit, the February 2020 limited edition kit by my creative scrapbook. I will let you the link to get this kit in the description box down below. And let's get started showing you this beautiful paper from the Eclectic Charm collection by Blue Fern Studio. Look how pretty it is to cut all these things, and on the back you have this plain texture page. Look how pretty is this other one, and I love also the prune color on the back. Look this paper. It is like lace, like layers of different design. Love all these vintage labels on the back. Look this, how pretty with the chain and the butterfly. The back is too pretty. Look, this one is more simple with the butterfly, so pretty. And on the back you have this if you want to cut out. Look how beautiful is this paper. I love the dark color with all these flowers. It is so pretty. And the back too. Look this side. It's difficult to select one side on this paper. Look, the clocks here is so pretty. And I love this side too, the blue with the dusty look. Look this one. Both sides are beautiful. Look, it looks like a lot of vertical lines of lace here. Horizontal, no vertical, horizontal. Look the other side, so pretty. This is gorgeous. I just love the lavender color with all the tear paper on the back. It is really a beautiful collection for a vintage work projects. And let me show you now. Look this. This is a stencil from Finavera Prima Marketing. It's so nice. Let me put the products on the side, and now I'm going to show you a package. I think this is the ephemera packages from the same collection. The Eclectic Charm. Look all the die cuts that comes in the kit. I'm going to open because I have fun to always to open the package that has many pieces. I don't know, it is fun to see and to check every single piece. Let me show you. You have kids, you have birds, flowers, sentiments, words, clocks, bird cage, more birds. Look how pretty is this one. It looks like a small frames, words, a lot of pieces to work. Look how cute is this. Let me pick up all this mess and come back. Okay, you also get a bunch of these cards. Look how lovely they are with different quotes and sentiments. I'm not sure if these cards are from the same collection or they are from Prima, so I'm not sure, but they are so cute, and I just love of the look. This one, make today count. Nice. Let me show you very fast. You see, you receive a bunch of these that you can use for make journaling, cards, scrapbooking. It's endless. You can use it for many things. And you receive from Bob Bunny this stamp, the Flourish and Such stamp. Look how pretty it is. You have many pieces of stamp here to give texture. And also you get this mechanical gears package from Finavera by Prima Marketing. Look how cute they are. And I love that you can add, it goes perfect with this collection, and you can add metal touch to your project. And last but not least, you receive 3 packages of Prima flowers. Look how pretty these are. Love it. And this one. And this is the February limited edition kit. Let me put all the product here, in that way you can see. and I just love this kit, and I'm going to have so much fun working, and I come back soon with my first video tutorial to share with all of you guys. Check the description box down below, and I see you soon. Bye bye.